Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a nice song here from Linkin Park. It's called Over Each Other. So this is Emily Armstrong singing here in the new Constellation in Linkin Park, replacing Chester. Very sad he left us, but anyway, Emily does a great job here in playing and singing in Linkin Park. So anyway, let's go into this nice song, Over Each Other, and we're gonna do that with capo on the 3rd fret. All right, so that's where we're gonna place the capo, and with that we have 6 different chords. So let's go into the chords, and starting with a bar chord. This is the B minor. So you place the index finger on the 2nd fret, and you cover 5 strings from bottom up like this. Okay, then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We're going to continue with bar chords. Now the F sharp minor, a bar on the 2nd fret still. This time you need to cover all strings, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. We have D next, and that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have G as well, and that will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have A, and that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And the final chord is E minor. And that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so the strumming here, I choose to go with just straight down, up, okay? So if you grab the B minor chord, you can go like this. That is 1 string around. I tried to separate the down ups from each other, so the second or last down, I tried to go down on the higher strings. All the other downs and ups, I try to play a little more on the bass mid area, and in that way I get some variation in the strumming. If you think that is too much, then just go with straight down up. That is perfectly fine. It's okay. Just down up, like this. And if you want to emphasize a bit more the beats in the song, then you can go with down up, clap up. So that clap replaces the final 2nd down there. So down, up, clap up, down, up, clap up. Alright, so either way works here. I'm gonna teach in down, up. So with that said, let's go into this first verse, and we have the B minor, 4 string rounds, D, 2, and F sharp minor, 2. That 3 chords you're gonna play for 2 rounds. So B minor 4, D2, F sharp 2. Again. Okay, that is the first verse, and then over to pre-chorus in the lyrics, skyscrapers we created. So skyscrapers we created, and that is we're gonna play the G, 4 string rounds, B minor 2, and F sharp minor 2. Then G4, B minor 2, and a pause, and that pause builds up for the chorus. So G4, B minor 2, F sharp 2, G4, B minor 2, and then a pause. And that pause takes us to the chorus. Okay, so in the lyrics, but you won't let me breathe. That's where we are. Now we're gonna play G, 4 string rounds, B minor 4, A4, and E minor 4. That chord progression you're gonna play for 2 rounds. So G4, B minor 4, A4, and E minor 4. Again. Alright, so that is the first round. In the second round, everything is just repetition. Second verse played in the same way as the first one. The same goes with the second pre-chorus and second chorus. No changes at all there. That takes us to the bridge part that happens right after the second chorus. We are now about 1 minute and 48 seconds into the song. You're going to continue the strumming, and now you're going to play G4, B minor 2, A2. You're going to do that for 2 rounds, and then you're going to end with G4. And that is the bridge part there. So G4, B minor 2, A2 for 2 rounds, and then G4. Then comes the final parts of the song. We're going to turn back to the third and final chorus, and guess what? It's played the exact same way as the previous choruses. G, B minor, A, and E minor. And then comes the outro parts. You're going to play G4, B minor 2, A2 for 2 chord progression rounds. And that is the end of Linkin Park's Over Each Other. So yeah, great song, and I hope we're not over each other, Gordon Guitar and you. So feel free to support me here on this channel if you like Gordon Guitar and the content here. It means a lot to me to see this channel grow. So feel free to subscribe to this channel, and hope to see you very, very soon. Until next time, play tuned.